Today we will discuss about the SMART goals, that is the technique of lean manufacturing. Before discussing the SMART goals technique, we will discuss the introduction of lean manufacturing. What is lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing is just a production process based approach whose ideology is to maximizing the production and minimizing the faults or eliminating the defects or waste, and the third element is improving the quality. So there are different tools in the lean manufacturing. We will discuss smart goals. Smart goals are, what are the smart goals? You can say smart goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. S for specific, M for measurable, A for attainable, R for relevant, and T for time bound or time specific. How do smart goals help? Smart goals help to ensure the goals are effective. What are the five smart goals I have discussed in last slide? Is settings are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. Objective is good way to plan and steps to meet the long term goals in your grant. It helps to take your grant from ideas to action. You can convert ideas into action by setting the smart goals. They can be short term goals, medium term goals, and long term goals. Here is a picture that would clear your concept about the SMART goals. As I have discussed. SMART, S for specific, mean who and what we have to achieve. M for measurable, by how much we have to achieve, what will be the target, and A for achievable, how much target or quantity, and the fourth alphabet is R for relevant. Why? R, the relevant, you can say the target will be achieved by relevant department, relevant person, relevant authorities. It can be uh, share as relevancy. And the last is T, time bound. When we have to achieve this target, either it is short term goal, it is long term goals, or it is medium term goals. So targets have a time, specific time need to attain or to achieve the targets. Here is another picture that would clarify you more. Specific, as for specific, what exactly are you trying to achieve? And second alphabet is M, measurable. How will you know when you have achieved it? And the third is attainable. Is it genuinely possible to achieve it? Either we have selected the target or we have settled the target that is achievable or not achievable. It is very important. Sometimes we set the target that are not achievable in a realistic way. They are not smart goals. Target should be according to approach. It is very important element, so efforts can be put and achieved, targets can be achieved. Fourth is relevant. Does it contribute to your agency's revenue growth? Does it have effectiveness, or who will achieve it? It is very important. Time bound. When do you want to achieve this, and how you will achieve this? I think for setting the short term goals, medium term goals, long term goals, this technique is used in the lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing tools are mostly used in production industry, in textile industry, in apparel industry, chemical industries, leather industries, electric equipment industry. So before setting any goal, before setting any target, you must have to you must have to follow this tool for the betterment or for the possible achievable results. I hope by this video your concept about the lean manufacturing smart goals would be very clear. We will see you in next lecture with another tool. Thank you, Allah Hafiz. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.